Hi, this is John with Designer Appliances, and today we're going to be taking a look at the all-gas 36-inch range by Wolf. This iconic luxury brand is known for their signature red knobs and pro-style design, but Wolf ranges are so much more than just a visual centerpiece. Here, we'll walk you through what makes the Wolf 36-inch all-gas range unique and how it can elevate your cooking experience. The heart of this range is the cooktop. Ideally with a cooktop, heat delivery to your pots and pans should be even and consistent, while also providing a wide range of operating temperatures. The problem with most cooktops, however, especially those with high output, is that they are unable to handle delicate simmering tasks that require a low controlled flame. For example, typically a range with a 15,000 BTU output will at its best be able to achieve 1,500 BTUs on the lowest setting, not nearly low enough for delicate items. Wolf has solved this issue with their dual stack burner. Each burner consists of an inner ring and an outer ring that operate independently. The inner ring is for delicate cooking and can go as low as 300 BTUs, perfect for those simmering sauces or melting chocolate. As you turn the control knob to higher temperatures, the inner ring will shut off and activate the larger, more powerful outer ring capable of achieving 15,000 BTUs, perfect for searing and boiling water. The 36-inch all-gas range is available with 3 different burner configurations. The GR366 is the 6-burner configuration that offers versatility, especially for multi-pot feasts. The top left burner is a 9,200 BTU low power burner, whereas the other 5 burners can reach a high power of 15,000 BTUs. The GR364G boasts a versatile 4 burners, plus includes a convenient 15,000 BTU griddle. Wolf's griddle offers consistent heat across the entire griddle surface by utilizing a full-width infrared burner directly under the griddle plate. The result is evenly cooked food across the entire griddle surface. Griddles can be great for quickly cooking breakfast items such as pancakes, eggs, or bacon, but can be versatile enough to cook meats or vegetables. The GR364C offers a 4-burner configuration and gives the home cook a 16,000 BTU infrared charbroiler. This is like having an outdoor grill right in your kitchen, great for grilling steaks or burgers. Also, you'll need to make sure your ventilation hood is up to par for removing the extra smoke and heat generated. When choosing this configuration, keep in mind the cleaning process can add a few extra steps to the cooking process. These all-gas ranges feature continuous cast iron grates, which makes it easy to slide heavy pots around. The cast iron grates are also durable and dishwasher friendly, making them easy to clean. Each of the range's 4 burners are sealed burners, meaning spills can be easily contained. In addition, each burner has a sensor that detects if the flame has gone out while cooking and automatically reignites it. Since these ranges are so powerful, this automatic reignition system is a great safety feature. Down below, the gas oven provides even, consistent heat across all racks. The convection fans help to circulate air evenly, resulting in up to a 25% reduction in cooking time. This range has an infrared 18,000 BTU broiler that sears quickly and evenly, making broiling a steak practically foolproof. The infrared heat generates a much higher temperature and heats faster than other types of heat. This all-gas range is pretty basic when it comes to oven features, so if you're the type of person who turns on the oven and doesn't think twice about what setting to use, it should meet your needs. Basically, you can either set a temperature from 150 to 500 degrees or set it to broil. You'll also have a button to toggle the convection fans on and off. For the most part, convection will yield the best results. However, when you're baking delicate items like custards, soufflés, and cakes, it's recommended to turn convection off. The capacity of the oven is 5.5 cubic feet, and the interior oven depth boasts 17 inches with a 30-inch width, making it an ideal size to handle cooking a turkey in a 16 by 13 roasting pan with additional sides at the same time. Each oven comes with 3 oven racks, and there are 5 different rack positions in the oven. One of the racks is a full extension ball bearing rack that extends all the way out of the oven to help you easily access hot food, heavy casseroles, and pot roasts. There's an enhanced interior view that has a large, double-panel glass door window and bright dual halogen lights that allow you to peek in on what you're baking without having to open the door and disturb the cooking process. Wolf appliances are manufactured entirely in the United States at their state-of-the-art Madison, Wisconsin plant by a very skilled labor workforce. Appliances are tested throughout the manufacturing process and then again at the end of manufacturing put through a rigorous test to ensure quality standards are always met. This dedication to quality allows Wolf to stand behind their products by offering one of the best warranties in the industry. Even with all of the best intentions from the manufacturer, occasionally a service issue may arise. This is typically what molds your overall impression of a brand, and most brands tend to get this wrong. Wolf is the exception. If something goes wrong with your Wolf range, Wolf will be out to your location in 24 hours to fix the problem. Also, since Wolf is US based, parts are readily accessible. We hope this video has been helpful. At Designer Appliances, we offer the best prices on high quality appliances. Visit one of our New Jersey showrooms or call one of our experts and they'll help you find the right appliance for your needs. Our Bedminster, New Jersey location has one of the largest selections of Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances on the East Coast, making planning your next dream kitchen a breeze. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel where we provide tips and advice that will make you an educated appliance shopper.